Welcome back to our channel once again. If you are new here, please subscribe. Why should you subscribe? Because this is a challenge on how to become engineer within 7 months. AI engineer within 7 months. Here is our plan. Module 1, Python basics. We've seen the syntax, variables, and data types. Today we are going to see print and input functions, or sometimes called methods. Can you do that in 7 months? Yes, I showed you how we're going to be dealing with 24 modules. So we are just in the beginning and we can do it. Subscribe if you want to do it with us. After the print and input methods, we are going to see introduction to operations, the if, else statements, how you deal with loops, data structures, and so forth. Of course, we have hands-on on some assignments, as you can see. This will be just module 1. Imagine what we achieve together with 20 plus modules more. Let's get started. As I said, today we are going to see print and input method. Let's start. Again, you go to search CMD. We use Jupyter. I'll bring it over here. Jupyter Lab. It's opening. Let's go. This was from last time. So let's open a new one. You go to Notebook, Python 3, click on it. Open a new one. Rename your file. Always rename your file. Today we are going to see, let's say, functions. All right. Print function. For example, you print hello world. As we have seen before, run, and it will print hello world, right? Now, let's say you want to print my name is print is a string. My name is John, for example. Run. My name is John. You can print let's see why is not going to work. Let's say 3 plus 5. Is it going to run? No. It will print as a string, but let's see where is the difference between print string and a number. Let's see, print 3 plus 5. Let's see what it prints. It prints the number because these are integers and this is a string. That's the difference. Now, you can say print the number is, you put a string, the number is always let's say 40. Let's print. It will print a string, space, and gives you number 40. Now, print can show the text, numbers, and expressions. You can also combine the text and number, as I just said. And Python will add the space, as in this case, you can see here, right? Now, let's see how we can print 2 lines, one below the other. Let me see. You can print a string. Let's say, for example, line 1, and then backslash with n, and then you put line 2. Let's see. Right. It will print line 1, line 2, like that. All right. That was for print function. This is for print functional method. So let's move it at the very top because we forgot to put it up there. All right, it's there. Now let's put a new one for, this is for input function. Right. For input, for example, we have a name equal, of course we use input method, input function. Let's ask a question. What's your name? And here should print a string as well. My name is, and put the name. Let's see. Run. What's your name? Let's say, for example, put Peter. Hit enter. So what's your name? The user will type in Peter, and the system will return my name is Peter. All right. All right. Now let's see how we deal with numbers input. Let's say age equal input, enter your age. Let's see, enter your age. All right, and of course you're going to print age. If you print age, it will be okay. Let's see, run 20, boom, it will print 20. But let's say, for example, you try to print the age, plus 1. What do you think will happen? Will this return anything, or it will cause an error? Of course it will cause an error. When you put 20, you see, it will cause error because you are trying to add integer to where we are supposed to print what? String, right? So you have to somehow convert this into integer. How do we do that? Well, we are going to add integer to this, so that instead of returning a string, it has to return an integer. So how do you do that? So you just put here int, parenthesis, and of course you will cross the parenthesis here. Now, if we run again, you put 20, hit enter, then it gives you 21. Because now it's returning an integer instead of returning a string. That's how it's done. That's it for today. Now you know how to talk to users, to get input from your users using print and input functions, sometimes called methods. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you never miss any lesson. Remember, our goal is to become AI engineers within 7 months. We are still on module 1, Python basics. We have seen syntax, variables, data types, and now we've seen how we use print and input functions. Next, we will do introduction to operations and if statements, else statements, and while for loops. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. We are just getting started. I do hope that we're gonna get better. We can only get better. This is the beginning. As I said, remember, from the beginning, I'm learning with you guys. I'm just a total beginner like you guys, learning together. Imagine what we can achieve within 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 months. I know we can do it. And if I believe I can do it, you should believe that you can do it as well. Let's be together. Let's come together. Together we can master AI engineering. Thanks again.